Good evening and a warm welcome to you. I am so happy to be adding value 2 times a week after week, and I'm happy because this value I'm adding is getting me loads of responses, loads of people who are asking me more and more questions. Because when people ask me more questions about how they can choose better options to be the best version of themselves, that is when I realized that the work I am doing is going to the right place, because my mission is to empower you to make easy choices, to make better choices, to make well-informed choices to be the best version of yourself. Hi Milan, I'm so happy that you're here, and today there's a very interesting topic. The topic is PRP, or platelet rich plasma, one of the trending words in the field of aesthetic medicine. Today we are going to learn how PRP can be used for hair regrowth. So as we discuss about PRP, you will become aware of the newer options that are available in the field of hair regrowth, in the field of healthy hair. So whenever there's a hair fall, we tend to only think about changing our shampoo or changing our hair oil, because that is what has been happening for many years. And we also know that this changing of the shampoo or changing of the hair oil may not be effective, gives very moderate results, temporary results, or no results. Because I think all of us are today aware that the health transformation has to happen at the root of the hair, and by changing the shampoo or the hair oil, you are just paying attention to the end product, that is the fruit. So paying attention to the root is definitely the right way, the wise way to get better results in amazing skin and hair at any age. And paying attention to the roots means choosing something that nourishes the root, and PRP is one of those options. Rather, PRP is a research, tried, tested, proven and really good option to improve the roots of your hair. And by improving the quality of the root, by improving the nutrition of the root, you can get much better hair in every way. And this much better hair, since it is because of the root transformation, this is yours to keep. It's an extremely long lasting process. So it's not a quick fix, but it is a long lasting process. So in today's conversation, we are going to be talking about hair loss and the common choices that people make for hair loss, and we're going to introduce PRP, talk in brief about what is PRP, simplify the procedure of PRP so that you have a fair understanding of it, and also talk about the 5 myths that are associated around PRP. So unfortunately, whenever there is something new in the market and something has been there for a very long time, people do not adapt to the new very easily. There is some amount of apprehension, some amount of fear where it comes to adapting to the new, and that is the reason people do not adapt to the new. A lot of myths start being created. So myths, out of this fear, the myths are born, and people cling on to these myths and do not take the right action. So I am Dr. Shweta Iyengar. I am the founder and thought leader of Skin Sense and Aesthetic Clinic, which partners with you and promises you amazing skin and amazing hair at any age. And we use the principles of awesome inside out, that is making you healthy at a cellular level. This is the principle that is being used, that ensures that whatever is your age, whatever is your challenge, you will get awesome results and you will have amazing skin and hair at any age. So thank you Lakshmi for joining in, and we jump into the topic of today, which is PRP for hair. So when it comes to choosing options for hair fall, people tend to choose oils and shampoos. Though oils and shampoos work for very few people, for most of the people they give mediocre, no results or temporary results. But because of the fear of trying a lot of new options, that is what gets chosen, and this fear stems from not knowing. So today I'm introducing you to PRP so that you are empowered to take informed decisions and you are empowered to get better results. So I strongly believe that knowledge can 2x your results, and the best part is that simplified knowledge, knowledge which kind of dispels your myths, empowers you to take action, takes away your fears, makes things crystal clear to you. This kind of knowledge can 2x your results, and what you're spending is half the price most of the time, and you get your results in very little time. So you can save time, you can save money, and you can get better results. How does it get any better than this? And this can happen with the right knowledge. So subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, subscribe to me on YouTube if you are a knowledge lover and you love to get more and more knowledge, and you know that this knowledge is going to empower you to live a more fuller life, because the more options you have, the more chances you take, the better life you have. There is so much in life that is there all for you, but unfortunately, out of knowing very little, out of being feared, we make such few options. So let's open up our options and look at all the choices available to us and take the right decision and get incredible results. So PRP, which is known as platelet rich plasma, it is a technique in which we use the body's own incredible healing powers to regrow the hair. So the body does have healing powers, which we know as the body has a lot of stem cells, the body has a lot of growth factors. So these stem cells and growth factors can be removed out of the body. There are growth factors in the blood. So these growth factors are removed out of the blood by removing 20 ml of blood from your body. Yes, PRP is a procedure which is done by using the healing power from your own blood. So when you come for a PRP treatment to an aesthetic doctor, it's a medical treatment. All over the world people are doing PRP. So when you go to a doctor, 20 ml of your blood will be drawn out of your body, and this blood will now be stabilized, because blood once drawn out of the body will get coagulated. All the growth factors or the stem cells of the blood cannot live outside the body, that can be alive only inside the body. But yes, medical technology has made this possible, that a special reagent is added to the blood, and this reagent can stabilize the blood outside the body. After stabilizing the blood is put into a specialized device called as a centrifuge device, where there is spinning of the blood that is happening. So we know that the blood has RBCs and WBCs. We've all heard about these terms. So the RBCs and the WBCs from the blood are separated, and you are left with the platelets. That is why the name PRP, that is why the name platelet rich plasma. The platelets of the blood, which are abundant in growth factors, are left behind. And it is this platelets with abundance of growth factors which are going to be used to cause this magical transformation. So these platelets are injected into the scalp. They're injected into the scalp all over the crown area or the cap area, because that is where the maximum circulation is. That is where we need to stimulate to make sure that the body grows or rejuvenates itself. So with a micro needle, we just need to go to the mesoderm. So there is a concept called as ectoderm, which is the outer layer, endoderm, which is the inner layer, and mesoderm, which is the middle layer. And these are layers of the skin. So the hair follicles or the root of the hair lie in the mesoderm, and this micro needle ensures that these growth factors which are taken out and harvested out of your own body are put into the mesoderm. So your crown area now has a sea of growth factors, an abundance of growth factors, and all those tiny hair which are there in your head, which are not able to grow, which are very weak, which are kind of sick, which are at a state that unless you nurture it, unless you boost it with power, they are going to die. Because of this abundance of growth factors from your own body, all these hairs start growing. That is the magic of PRP. I think I have simplified it for you, and now you have clarity on how the PRP works. So if you have any questions regarding the PRP, you must ask me, because most of us do have hair concerns at some point of time. If you talk to 100 people, definitely everybody has had some kind of scalp or hair concern at some point of time. As we age and as we cope up with different kind of stress of the environmental situation, also stress because of aging, there are certain bodily changes which are going to reduce your oxygenation and circulation to the cells, which reduce the regrowth to the cells. So it is important that you pay attention. If you're proactive and ambitious, it's not right to take yourself for granted. It is not right to take your cells for granted. It's not right to take your wellness or your beauty for granted. You will have to ensure that you give it that bit extra, because we all desire to be the best version of ourselves, to look younger than our age, to get compliments for looking younger than our age. Yes, absolutely, that is possible, and that's a good desire to have. To me, if anybody is aspiring to look younger than their age, if anybody feels that it's great to get a compliment that I look younger than my age, I think it's a good aspiration to have. And I say this because to me, young cells are healthier cells, and I'm a big advocate of cellular health. I'm a big advocate of health on the inside. So then, looking young, when I give that compliment to somebody or I get that compliment from somebody, I think it's a beautiful compliment to get, because that compliment is beyond skin and hair. That compliment is about the inner energy, the compliment is about the inner health, and it talks a lot about the kind of person I am and the kind of care I am taking about myself at a cellular level. So then we talk about rejuvenation of the cells through PRP, which is a very, very positive thing to do. So if you're proactive and if you are taking the right steps, if you are taking those extra steps, if you are ready to walk that extra mile in the area of beauty and wellness, you are going to get a lot of benefits. So I am Dr. Shweta Iyengar, like I said some time ago, and I am the founder of an aesthetic clinic called Skin Sense. Skin Sense is about wellness and beauty, and in 11 years, Skin Sense is 11 years old, and in 11 years I have worked with thousands of men and women all over the world of all ages, with different kind of mindsets, with different kind of skin and hair troubles, and I have ensured that I have given them a lot of delight by understanding what exactly they are looking for and positioning them a solution which is easy and effective for them. And yes, when it comes to aesthetics, there are so many solutions available, because it's not just about what you need. It is not just about your problem. Of course, it is about your problem and what you need, but not just about that. What I mean when I say that is just one element of the whole story. There are other elements, and that other element is, what is your aspiration? What do you desire? What are you willing to invest? What are you willing to invest in both time and in money? So we need to understand this entire story, and we need to understand how we can position exactly what is right for you. Yes, at this point, I would like to tell you, wonderful people, that aesthetic medicine is not like a salon. In fact, it takes time. For the first 1.5 months, when you start something at an aesthetic clinic, you do get results, but you get marginal. You get 10 to 15% results only. The results generally start in the second month, and they are phenomenally good, because the first month is called as a priming or a preparation for the growth to be boosted and the growth to be started. So I hope I could explain the PRP. Now I'm going to talk about the general myths that are around PRP, so that if you are holding on to any such myth about PRP, and that is the reason you haven't chosen the PRP treatment, but you are trying a lot of ineffective things for hair fall, after you know that this is a myth and this is a fact, you will be in a much better place to make a more informed choice. So myth number one is, people believe that PRP can be very painful. Is it true? People believe risky and painful are the two words, because I did tell you that we use an injection, and with this injection we are injecting into your scalp, and because we're doing this, people sometimes believe risky and painful are the two words that come to their mind. So no, PRP is neither risky nor it is painful. In fact, it is not risky at all, because we are using growth factors from your own body. It is not using any kind of chemicals. There can be no sensitivity or reaction to PRP, because the healing factors from your own body are being used back into your body. And it is not painful, because though we say that we inject it into your scalp, the injection is so small, the injection is so thin and such a minuscule amount of the growth factors are injected that at best we can call it an irritating treatment. It feels like a small pinch on the skin. It feels nowhere like an injection that you get, an intramuscular injection that you get. So it is a relatively pain-free treatment, yes, because somebody is poking into your scalp. So anybody who pokes you, it's not a very pleasant experience. I wouldn't say that it's a pleasant experience or you don't feel anything at all, but it is an absolutely bearable experience. It is annoying or irritating, but definitely not very painful, definitely not unbearable. So I have so many men and women choose the PRP treatment at SkinSense, my aesthetic clinic, and none of them need any painkillers or any anesthetic or anything like that to go for the PRP treatment. In fact, we call it a lunchtime procedure. Most people come on their office days, take a session and go back to work. That is all they need to do and they get benefits of the PRP treatment. Now there is myth number 2, which is around PRP treatment, is people feel that PRP is the gold standard. So it is among the top-notch treatments that is available in hair health. So people feel that, do I need PRP? People who need PRP, they presume are the ones who have tried everything else and not got results, or who are going bald. So many times people say that this is a treatment which is the last treatment where everything else has failed, or when the person is in an extreme condition, which is not true at all. PRP is just giving growth factors into the body. So then if you're talking about who should be exercising regularly, is it that only a person who has put on loads of weight, who's extremely unhealthy, who's got so many metabolic diseases? Is it that person who should be going for an exercise or a gym or any kind of exercise, not just a gym or a yoga or any form of exercise? Is it for a person who's overweight and unhealthy, or is it for everybody? Obviously, it is for everybody. Similarly, a PRP can be used because it is just about putting abundance of growth factors into your scalp, about creating a sea of growth factors where the hair follicles are. It's an extremely good treatment even if you have mild to moderate hair fall, even if you have severe hair fall, even if you have started to have hair thinning. It's a good treatment even if you're 40 plus and you feel that unless you proactively start taking care of your skin and hair, you may show age in your 50s. So I know of people in their 40s and their 50s who come for few sessions of PRP treatment without any problem at all, because a lot of people believe that prevention is better than cure. Why wait for the problem to begin? Why wait for a lot of hair fall? Why wait for a lot of hair thinning? You can start even before your hair fall starts and get the results. So don't have to wait till you reach an extreme place for the PRP. You can start taking your PRP sessions right now. If you're somebody who loves to take care of your skin and hair, who loves to take care of your personality, who believes that the power of personality is super awesome and we must invest in it, you must consider starting your PRP sessions for maintaining your hair. Another myth about PRP is that it is more for men and less for women. So I just clarified this to you, that again, people feel it's only for baldness or somebody who started looking really bad because of the amount of hair they lost. That's not true at all. PRP is for all stages of hair loss. PRP is both for men and women. PRP, because it works on increasing the growth factors in that area, it is effective in everybody in hair fall due to any cause. So whatever be your reason of hair fall, whether it is polycystic ovaries, whether it is thyroid, whether it is nutritional, whether it is genetic, or whether it is lifestyle, so many celebrities come to aesthetic clinics and they have undergone so much of coloring and blow drying and styling of hair, and this constant pulling of hair causes scalp irritation and they have a lot of hair loss. So PRP is good for absolutely everybody, male or female, anybody who has hair loss due to any reason. Once we strengthen them, once we add more power to their hair roots, they're definitely able to cope with whatever other situation they're coping with better and get better results. Now, some say that PRP is expensive. So let us evaluate if PRP is expensive. So people who have chosen PRP do not believe that PRP is expensive. Yes, per session of PRP is quite expensive. It causes a few thousand rupees. So it may occur to you, when you just hear the price, it may occur to you that it is a very expensive treatment. But as you understand it holistically, you understand that as compared to dozens of other treatment, dozens of other products, dozens of oil massages or certain high frequency or a lot of hair treatments happening, but those you need to take a few dozens of those treatments to start seeing results. Whereas PRP, in one single session you start seeing remarkable results. From the second session you start seeing regrowth. So when you look at the benefits of PRP versus the cost of PRP, you will agree that it's extremely fairly priced, because you do not have to take too many sessions of it to get the results. Also, it's important for you to know that whenever you have to take too many sessions of a treatment to get the results, then the compliance, which is the follow-up, becomes very, very low. If you have to visit any place, whether it be a salon or it be a clinic, again and again at regular intervals, it becomes extremely stressful for many people who are doing something very, very important, whose work keeps them very, very busy. So then having few sessions of PRP is such a big boon. It saves a lot of your time. It saves your commute time. It saves your commute money and so many other things. So I strongly, if we do the math, if we open up a paper and look at what we are paying for PRP versus what we are getting from PRP, and in such few sessions, and compare it with anything else which is not so heavily priced but which gives slow or partial results or requires too many sessions, most people choose the PRP because they feel that when everything else is calculated, PRP definitely makes a lot of sense. Now I'm going to tell you about the last myth, because you know that my motto is to educate you without overwhelming you. So there is so much information in aesthetic medicine. There are so many questions that you can ask me in aesthetic medicine. But if I just keep giving knowledge, and if I keep going into the depth of the knowledge and using medical terminology, it will be more hassling for you. It will be more overwhelming for you. And no kind of overwhelm has ever helped anybody get into action. And my motto about this conversation is to empower you to take action, because nothing works till you and I do the work. So let's get into action and choose newer modalities for healthier hair. Let us examine if the old modalities we are currently using for healthier hair, whether they are really helping us, whether we are satisfied with them, or we need to explore some newer modalities. And these newer modalities will be more effective and will also be more time saving, will also probably save you a lot of money. So even if you're choosing a very expensive treatment, sometimes an expensive treatment saves you money. Let me explain what I mean when I say that. So when we choose a treatment that is not expensive, that we feel costs very little, but sometimes those treatments give you temporary or no results at all. So your investment has gone down the drain. But sometimes you may choose an expensive treatment that is globally proven, and you may get real-time results that last. So finally, again, when you go back and have a look at not just money as an individual factor, but as the whole picture, I would definitely say, after working with so many men and women who have tried so many things at so many places, when I have helped them choose the PRP treatment by providing them with the right information, and when I have got testimonials from them for the incredible results that they have got, both of us have definitely agreed that it is worth the money spent. So any questions on PRP? Because as we are talking, there is a lot of information curated, simplified and shared with you on a plate, but I am sure that it opens up even more questions for you. And that is the intention. I always call my Insta lives, FB lives, I call them conversations, because these are friendly, professional conversations, friendly, professional, empowering conversations between you and me, where I share things that you probably do not know enough about, but I believe that knowing about these things will add massive value to you. And I do understand that it will open up even more questions. There will definitely be certain questions which come to your mind as I share this information, and feel free to write those questions to me. So So you can write to me in the comment section, you can write to me in the messages section, the personal messages section, and my website is www.skinsense.co.in. So you can go to my website and you can find my email ID, or there is a question form there. So there are so many ways to reach out to me. I am so passionate and so serious about adding value to your life, about answering your questions till you're empowered to take action. So that is the reason there are so many ways to reach out to me, and I personally make sure that I answer the questions that you ask me, because you are the reason I am inspired to show up week after week, in fact twice a week, and answer your questions. Because every time I do a Facebook Live, I get so many mails, I get so many comments from people who exactly tell me that this is what I learned from your Facebook Live of today. This is the action that I'm going to take. And after a few days, I have had them write back to me saying that through this action, this is the result I got. So generally, people who take action from the learnings of my Facebook Live, and people who write to me about the action they are taking and the results they are getting. So one of such people, there are 100 people writing to me from different sources, because this live will also go on YouTube, and we have a mailing list called as Knowledge Nuggets. So it will be shared with the people of the Knowledge Nuggets too, but people who are writing back to me and telling me the action they took and the results they got. One such lucky winner every month gets a gift worth rupees 9,999 from Skin Sense. So if you're liking what you're hearing here, if you use any of this, please let me know what exactly you used and how it helped you have better skin or better hair, or made things easier for you. Write to me how it was beneficial to you, and if your name is chosen in the lucky draw, you might win a prize worth 9,999 rupees from Skin Sense. And how awesome is that? So before we end today's live comes the most important part about PRP. People feel that PRP is the treatment, PRP is same everywhere, and I'm quite amused that people feel that. So suppose you talk about any treatment, whether you even talk about, because I'm taking the example of a salon because you all are familiar with the salon. So is a salon pedicure same everywhere? Is a salon facial same everywhere? Is a step cut same everywhere? In fact, is a keratin or cysteine same everywhere? So it is not same everywhere. It depends on the reagents they are using to create that look for you. Similarly, a very important part of PRP is the stabilizer, is what after removing the blood from the body, we have to use a specialized stabilizer, a specialized thing that concentrates the growth factors. So the reagent that is being used in the PRP is really important to get very good results. If the reagent that a particular clinic is using is not of a great quality, that PRP might be of a much lower price, but then the results of that PRP will be severely compromised. So it's very important to understand what are the ethics of the clinic, what kind of products are they using to stabilize the PRP and to extract the growth factors, what kind of results have they produced in the past. So not all PRPs are the same. So if you haven't got results from PRP at some clinic, or you know somebody who hasn't got the results they desired in some clinic, that doesn't mean that PRP is an ineffective treatment. It could just mean that that clinic did not use a very good reagent, and that is the reason they could not stabilize the growth factors. So find the right place to do a PRP. Look at the credibility of the aesthetic clinic, and also the before after pictures of the transformations they have created, because that is really important. Finally, knowledge is great, but like we say, the proof of the pudding is in the taste. So testimonials, looking at testimonials, talking to people, probably if it is possible, of people who got PRP is very important, and that is what can help you take the right decision. I hope this conversation was really empowering, because I know that there is a lot of energy around PRP. People want to know, अच्छा आप लोग PRP करते हो, अच्छा उसके बारे में सुना है बहुत पेनफुल है. So that, you know, randomly when I meet people, randomly when I go for events and meet people, people do ask me such questions, but at that place it's not possible to give them complete answers. I have to give them one line answers, which I absolutely don't enjoy. But yes, if you write to me, I will be giving you holistic answers. I will not just tell you what will work for you, I will also tell you why that will work for you, because I want you to be well informed. I want you to know what and what not, so that you can take sensible decisions and get amazing results. Thank you so much for being a learner. Thank you so much for wanting to know more and more about what is new, what is happening, and wanting to be proactive, wanting to be ambitious, and taking personal responsibility of your wellness. I'm so proud of you, because when you take personal responsibility of your wellness, you take off so much load away from your family, because we have to begin by saying that I am going to take care of myself, so that I am in a position to take care of all the people who matter to me. So thank you once again for taking care of yourself, and thank you for being on this Insta Live. I will be there again on Thursday. Tuesday and Thursdays are the day for our Insta Live. And those of you who have been following me know that I always keep up my word. I always show up when I promise I will show up. So 9 o'clock on Thursday, and we are going to talk about a few more things that are happening in the world of healthy hair. So other than PRP, what are the other things that are really effective? What are the doctor's insider secrets and choices? What is the doctor's approach to hair loss? You know what is a Dadima's approach to hair loss. You know what is a parlor approach to hair loss. But I think I would want to present you with a doctor's approach to hair loss, and that will definitely open up a few new options for you. So see you on Thursday. Keep your questions coming. Keep your compliments coming too. It's been absolutely wonderful to interact with you like this. Thank you so much.